Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to work on a mini project that demonstrates the use of basic if-else statements in Python. We'll create a simple project to verify an email and password. Now this is very great for the basic and beginner. Since today is day 11, we have already covered a lot about if and else statements in previous 10 videos before. If you want to know more, check out the playlist on my channel. I will also provide the link in the description. So let's start with today's agenda. I'll explain you in brief like what we have to do exactly. Now look at this. This is a login page where you have to enter an email and password. Let's say you enter a mail and that's you forget a mail or you forget the password. Then you have to code in a way that you can regain it again. Let's see how to do it. Okay, let's start. So we will assign a variable that is email is equal to input. This will be a string, so enter the mail, enter the email, right? So we have like next is password. Password is equal to input, same thing. Enter the password. Now we have entered, like we have asked the user to enter the email and password. Now we have to make sure that if the password is this and if the email is this particular, then it will be a login or else login unsuccessful. So let's see if email is equal to data gaze @gmail.com and the password is equal to, let's say 123 is equal to always remember the just one equal to sign is an assignment operator, and this is an equal operator. That means the LHS and RHS should be equal, right? Then see print login successful. Okay, and this is the first step. When we have done, like we have asked them to tell the email and password, and if the email is datagaze@gmail and then if the password is 123, then it will show that the login is successful. Now next is if else. If email is equal to, okay, just copy paste the same thing again. Okay, and the password is not equal to, so for not equal to we have to use exclamatory sign, which will be shift, and if you press shift and 1 you'll get it. Okay, and if the password is not equal to 123, then print incorrect password. You can also mention here if the password is incorrect, like you have mentioned your password is incorrect, then we can also ask the user again to rewrite the password. So input, and then we can write in a string, enter the password again. Okay, let's say the last condition will be else. Okay, print login failed. Okay, so this is an indentation error. Okay, let's run the code now again. Okay, see the pass, so we'll enter the email, which is right. Let's do it. Okay, then enter the password 123. See, you're done. It says login successful. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more content. Stay tuned for day 12 where we're going to start with the lists. So thank you.